What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to install a little bit of ambient lighting. You've probably seen Brandon's, aka P1 Zario, I guess is how you pronounce it. He did his, but he has the facelift Mazda 6, so he has his in his center console, but there's not really a place to do it in our center console. So I'm thinking with the footwell lighting and the red dash trim, I think it'll go together really well at night. Be a cool experience in here. So let's start getting that installed and let's see how it looks. So in the packaging, you have the light string, the converter box, and then if you choose to use a cigarette lighter, you can use a cigarette lighter. I'm just going to take it basically and just put it right on into the dash, just like that. Alright, and this is what it looks like installed. So this goes across the dash, up over. So since I'm not using the cigarette lighter anymore, whoops, snip that bad boy off. Not gonna need it. I'm gonna take my vice grip wire strippers, and then I'm using a mini fuse tap. So the positive wire will go in there, and we're gonna take the crimp of my wire stripper, and we're going to put it right in there like that, give it a squeeze, and now we have the positive wire in the fuse tap. So I'm going to go into the sunroof, which is the last one on the bottom left. At the bottom slot will be for the placement of the fuse that's in the car, and then the top slot will be for your accessory. So now we have both fuses fully inserted to 10 amps, and then we will get it inserted right down into the sunroof slot. It is just grounded right here to that bolt. That's it. It is installed. It is connected, and I'll just tuck that back there. We'll be back tonight and we can see how it looks, if it looks good, if it doesn't look good, if it looks terrible. If it stays here, if we change it, we'll be back. Right now mine is wired to the sunroof fuse, which evidently is hot all the time, so it stays on. So it looks cool. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave it where it's on all the time. I may find a new fuse later on to attach it to, maybe not, I don't know. But I hope you all like this video. Until next time, peace. Oh, you can't see me. Peace.